Alright guys, welcome back. So today we are over at the Hope Furnace over here at Lake Hope State Park, across the street from Zaleski where we did our last challenge hike. That was 12.5 miles. So today we're going to combine 3 trails over here at Hope Furnace on Lake Hope side, and we're going to take those 3 trails to push out over 14 miles. My guess is about 14.5. I might get as high as 15, I'm not really sure. It is 12 degrees outside right now, guys. 12 degrees. And on top of that, with the wind chill, it's actually 9. All right, so I have layers on. I'm gonna be peeling them as we go. The high for today is only gonna be 32 degrees. Let's get these miles and get warm. And as if today wasn't gonna be hard enough, I literally just pulled my pack out of the truck and my day pack is splitting. So let me turn you around and show you. So, yeah, that's not gonna last much longer. But we knew it when we got it because this was actually a replacement on a warranty for another one that failed. Just one of those things. Time to go buy a nice name brand day pack that can take some serious abuse, because obviously that isn't built to take the miles that we do. So let's get on the trail before I freeze to death. Alright guys, I don't know if I mentioned it back there, but 9:30 is my start time. Air's kind of thin because it's kind of cool out. And as I get hiking harder, obviously condensation, I'm exhaling. And it's freezing into my mustache, making it kind of crackly. That's how when you know it's nice and chilly out. But I'm enjoying it. I kind of hope it stays cold so the trail don't turn to mud. YouTube hiker troubles. The moment you go to get a shot and you step into a giant sinkhole and your foot gets soaked all the way through. Check this out. The things I do to get shots for you guys. I'll try and walk it off. If it doesn't start to dry, I got another pair of socks in my bag here. I'll change them out. But it ain't gonna matter, they'll just get wet from the shoe and the ankle brace being wet. Yeah, I'm gonna get a big fat "I told you so" from my wife. Let's get back on the trail. It's like a point that juts out. This is where when me and Missy hike out here, we always try to make it a point to come out here. It's kind of a spot that we both really enjoy. We like to take breaks here. Maybe if you brought us stuff out for a picnic or fishing, it's just a great spot. I'll be honest with you, it makes me kind of miss her at this point. I really love hiking with my wife. I like my solo stuff, especially when it's like this and no one's out here. But there's times that I enjoy the company of others, and I definitely enjoy the company of my wife a lot. So honey, if you're watching this, I love you and I miss you. Wish you were here with me. And guys, I would absolutely love just to sit here and bask in the sun and sit here all day. But I'm gonna tell you, I gotta get moving. I gotta get these miles. Starting to cool down just staying here. Not bad, but with that wet foot, it makes you want to keep going because it's drying out nicely as long as I keep hiking. So let's get back to it. All right guys, so I'm at the picnic area here. I think it's letter M on the map. Done about 3.5 miles. So if you want to do this trail, it's a combination of the Hope Furnace Trail, the Copperhead Trail, and the Bobcat Trail, all put together. If you want to find the whole loop, look on All Trails. One of the maps has like 14.2 or 14.5 miles. That's the one I'm doing. So just in case you wanted to come do it yourself, nice view here. I actually saw one person here. He was parked here heading out in the woods. He was with his dog. When his dog ran by, it was brown. Look at that deer. I swear it was a deer until it got close to me. But real nice guy, nice puppy. So now I gotta get on the trail here. I got miles to do. All right guys, so I'm at the second bicycle trailhead, about to jump back into the woods here. I had to stop and get the battery pack out and get my phone charging before it went completely dead. Caught a little bit of service up here. It says it's only 15 degrees with a real feel 13. Which means it's not going up in temperature like I had planned. Which is okay, I mean, it doesn't really make a difference to me. I'm not making the time that I had hoped to make because I've not been going real fast, for one. For two, these trails out here are mountain bike trails that I'm on right now, and they're not blazed, and they're kind of, you gotta pay attention. And I've also been playing with my new 360 camera, I'm not gonna lie. I've been stopping and doing some shots so I can do a preview video for this video. But I haven't been sitting down at all today. Anytime I've stopped, it's been a standing stop just to grab something out of my bag or to film for you guys. So I'm feeling good about the training aspect of it. I'm not gonna do a great time. It just is what it is. I just drank some water, ate some trail mix. Now I'm gonna get right back on the trail and really put it down. I just got over the biggest elevation hump. I'm about 7 miles in, so let's hammer down, get this thing done. All right, guys, do you want to know what the meaning of true love is? When your wife gets off 2 hours early from work and comes out and hikes in to meet you for your last little stretch and doesn't tell you and just surprises you.
I love you.
I love my wife, guys. She's awesome. So, I don't know how far we've got. I'm really guessing. I don't know, maybe a mile?
Mile and a half.
Mile and a half. So she just got off work early. Instead of going home and being able to be warm and just enjoy herself, she drove all the way out here and hiked in till she caught me down here at the creek crossing. I love you, baby.
I love you.
Oh, this is gonna be a lot nicer hike out with her. All right, guys, let's finish this out. So when I thought hiking in wasn't enough, I come walking down and there's like trash in the middle of the freaking trail, and I'm like, I gotta pick that up. So I bend down and it says Big T, and it's peanut M&Ms and a Diet Mountain Dew. My wife left me trail magic on the trail. I love you, baby.
I love you.
My little hobbit left me trail magic.
I figured you'd be hungry and you'd like a Mountain Dew. And
Actually, I'm very hungry, honestly. But the Diet Mountain Dew is what's gonna hit the spot. All right, home stretch, guys. Let's get out. My wife's made me motivated now. Thank you, honey.
You're welcome.
All right, guys, so we made it back to the truck. It is 4 o'clock, which brings my total hours for the day to how much, honey?
6.5 hours.
I'll let her do the math because last time I screwed it up.
14.5 miles.
Yep, 14.5 miles is what I got, which the All Trails thing said 14.2. So for once, I can actually say that a map was pretty much right. This wasn't about time for me today because it never got above freezing today out here. Every time I'd get a little wave of service, the temperature was staying well below what it was supposed to be. And now we're at time where the sun has dropped basically behind the hills and it's starting to get cold even more. That's what made the walk out the hard part. Luckily, my lovely bride came in and brought me some trail magic and gave me a second little motivation, or I probably would have had another half an hour in it just trudging with my head down. So I appreciate it, baby.
I love you.
It really helped, and I love you. And hope you guys enjoyed this series. We're gonna go higher miles, but I've got some gear stuff, and we've got some overnights and some other things we got to do first. So probably be a couple weeks before I get into a bigger one, but we'll up the mileage again. We'll go at it again, and hopefully I'll have it a few degrees warmer. We'll just have to see, or it may be colder, I don't know. But it's been a day. I'm ready to go home, get something to eat, and relax. Maybe even talk my wife into rubbing my feet for me, even though she's already done a lot for me today. But we'll see you guys next time. And if you get a chance, go down below, hit the subscribe and notification button, and we'll see you in the next one.